everybody, welcome to Tangle Break. Today we're going to do this tile using the Tangle Toodles. We're going to use the 8 basic steps of the Zentangle method. Step number 1 is gratitude and appreciation. I'm thankful for the time that we're able to take a break from our day to relax and draw. And the supplies that we're going to use are a Micron PN black pen, a General's Pastel Chalk Indigo blue pencil, a white charcoal pencil, a Zentangle pencil, 2 Tortillons, and a 3.5-inch tan tile. And this tile was inspired by project pack number 2 from Zentangle headquarters. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and get your tile and your pencil. And step 2 is the corner dots. Step 3 is the border. Okay, now switch out to your black PN pen, and we're going to go ahead and draw the Tangle Toodles. So I'm going to start down here in the corner, and I'm going to just draw a line going up, and then I'm going to come back down and aura it a little ways away and then go back to the corner. Okay, now I'm going to go up the side and go off and do a little fescue looking shape here and fill it in, and do the same thing on the other side, going up from the bottom around and making like a little bulb and fill it in. Okay, now I'm going to go to the top and go around and come back in, and that's it on that side. Same thing on the other side. Go around, come back in about halfway, and that's it. That's Toodles. So now I'm going to make some more going behind this one that we just drew. So I'm going to start at the first part, the first line, and then come back down, leaving space. And then I'm going to make those little fescue like tendrils coming up, picturing where it would be behind this one, and then fill it in. Do the same thing on the other side and fill it in. And then to make the leaf part, start at the top, come down around and come back in about halfway, go down, come back, and picture where it would be underneath. Okay, so that's 2 of them. Let's do 2 more. Picturing where it would come out from underneath, making my little stem, coming back down. Now I'm going to make those little tendril things coming off and fill it in on both sides. Now I'm going to go to the top and put in the leaf part, come back down and around and in. Same thing on this side, come down, around, and picture where it would be around and in. And it fit. That one fit. All right, let's do one more. We have space on the left. I'm going to start here going up with my line and coming back down with space. Now make the 2 little tendrils, one on each side, and fill in the end. Now the leaf part, starting at the top, come down, around, and back in. And on the other side, down, around, and come back in, about halfway. Okay, next I'm going to fill in the space that we made with orbs. So going in and then making it so that they're squeezed in there behind the other one. And then any spaces that are between them, I'm just blacking it in. So this one starts down here at the corner, so I'm going to start these little orbs down here. So now grab your General's Indigo Blue chalk pencil, and we're going to fill in around the toodles all the way to the border. And then we're going to grab our tortillon and smooth it all in. I really like the effect that the Tortillon gives when you go back over the pencil. It just smooths it out and you don't see any of the pencil marks, and it just gives it such a smooth, even look. Okay, now grab your white charcoal pencil and we're going to add some highlights. Go ahead and go around the border. Okay, next we're going to highlight the orbs going down the centers. Okay, now switch out to your Zentangle pencil and we're going to put some shading around the edges. And what I'm going to do to start is I'm going to make an aura around the leaf part of Toodles all the way around on all four. Okay, now get your tortillon, and we're going to spread this pencil mark. So just go with just a slight, like I love to do the little circles, and then come bringing it towards the center. I'm keeping it away from the edge and just doing little circles and going back and forth and just bringing it toward the center. Okay, so now grab your white charcoal pencil again, and we're going to do the edges of the leaf going all the way around. And now let's go right along the center on either side of the orbs. Okay, now let's do the same thing on the other three. Okay, now get your tortillon for your white pencil, and let's go ahead and blend this in. Okay, now it's time for step 7, initial and sign. So grab your pen again. And pick a spot to put your initial or your chop. I'm going to choose right down here at the corner. And then you can turn it over to sign it. This is Tangle Break. And today's tangle was Toodles. And then step 8 is appreciate again. I can look at it in any direction, and I'm going to see if I can zoom out here. Zoom out a little bit more. All right, I think that's the best I can do. And I hope that you enjoyed our break today. And I will see you next time on Tangle Break. Bye for now.